What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's protective hairstyle will be the 8-inch bob twist. So my hair is freshly washed and I will be using the Outre twisted up springy Afro twist hair. This is 16 inches. I'm cutting it in half so it can be 8 inches. It gives me a lot to work with. So here are my products. I will list them down in the description box as I always do. And I wanted to use this hair because it looks so natural. It looks like my hair. Why you see so many videos on my channel with this hair, because it looks so natural. This is great for 4C hair, and it's very affordable. So I am going to start off in the back. I'm trying to be fancy for you guys. I will be using the Shine and Jam gel, conditioning gel, but I'm not going to use a lot. So I followed this trichologist on TikTok, and she was saying not to put a lot of product on your scalp if you suffer from itchy scalp. She was stating that a lot of product on the scalp clogs the scalp, so I'm not going to use a lot, just enough to get the job done. So this first twist, I am going to split 2 pieces of hair and I'm going to cross it at the end to extend the twist. So I'm going to start off with a 3-strand braid. Now this first twist is excellent for somebody that has longer hair, so this is a great method. So I'm starting out with a 3-strand braid, and then I'm going to split the hair and then go right into twisting. I twist counterclockwise and then I twist. So counterclockwise, twist, counterclockwise, twist. So this first this first twist will be, like I said, good for someone with like 10 inches. Now, I love this hair because it shrivels up. So even if you have longer hair in the back, you'll still be able to get that bob look. Now, I cross the hair towards the middle of the strand just so it can be shorter. So you cross towards the end of the strand if you want to extend the hair, and in the middle if you want to get a shorter length. I hope that makes sense, y'all. So I'm going to show you guys the difference because I'm going for that 8-inch look. Like, I really want it to be short in the back, and I'm just twisting it a little beyond my natural length. So I'm going to show you guys the difference right now. That's the difference, guys. I did redo that 10-inch twist so it can be very similar to the 8-inch. I'm not going to walk around with 2 different lengths in the back. So when it comes to doing the bob twist, I love to start off with a braid for like an inch. So I braid down for like an inch, and then I go right into the counterclockwise twist. And what I mean is I twist counterclockwise and then I twist over. I hope that makes sense. Here is the back. I started doing smaller parts as I got towards the middle of my head, just to give the illusion of smaller parts. So I'm loving it so far, y'all, and this style is only $10. So I did this whole entire hairstyle with only 1 pack of hair. 1 pack. So it's very affordable, and I love it because it looks like my hair. Now, earlier I said this is excellent for 4C hair. Let me correct myself. It doesn't matter what texture of hair you got, what natural texture of hair you got, this will look so good on you. So give it a try. Once I got done, my daughter was like, "Mom, your natural hair looks so pretty," and I'm like, "No, girl, I added some Afro, the Afro Springy twist hair," and she was like, "Oh, okay, do mine." So it's very easy to do. So it only took me, well, I ain't gonna say it only took me. It took me 2 days because I had to stop. I am a mother of 6, and a lot of times I just can't go straight on with doing my hair. A lot of times I have to take breaks. But if you can just go straight, it would probably only take you about 4 to 6 hours because it doesn't take that long. To list my other 3 videos in the description box, so make sure you check it out. I have tried this hairstyle plenty of times. I've tried it 16 inches, 24 inches. I've tried a low slick pony, so make sure you check it out. Also, if you enjoy health, mom-like videos, makeup, protective hairstyles, then check out my channel and subscribe. Like, if you like what you see, join the mama tribe, y'all. I know a lot of y'all are not moms. However, y'all know that I'm a mom, especially if this is not your first time watching any of my videos. I'm in the process of growing a community. I am a down-to-earth YouTuber that enjoys interacting with you guys. So share my videos, and like I said, take a look at my channel. Like, go through my playlist and see if you see any videos that you would be interested in, because I truly enjoy interacting with y'all. But y'all, you see how it's looking now. I think I'm cute now. I think I'm cute. But again, I didn't take long while I was doing my twist. I had to take breaks. However, it wasn't, it wasn't long breaks, just a couple of breaks. And I'm pretty much just doing the same method over and over. And yeah, I'm liking how it's looking so far.
And then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Say maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, 'cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make you grow. Can make you grow. Can make you grow. Ooh. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, telling you it ain't what I thought. Don't wanna be stuck in a...
I am done. So far so good. I love how it looks. It's so light, it's not heavy at all, and again, it looks like my hair. So I'm going to trim the ends just a little bit. I'm going at an angle, and I'm not going to put it in hot water or anything, because I twisted the hair all the way to the end. So this is cool with me. You probably have to trim the ends maybe every couple of days if you see any frizzy hair, but outside of that, it's super light. It, like I said, if it looks like my hair, I love that it's not heavy at all, and I probably keep this up for like 4 weeks, to be quite honest. So let me just do my edges real quick and then come back so you guys can see the finished product. I want you guys to see the back as well. And yeah, loving it. Oh, let me not forget, put the mousse on just to lay the hair down. And once you lay the hair down and do your edges, you pretty much done, girl. But again, it's affordable, only $10. So if you want a budget, this for you, boo. We in the same boat, okay?
There's nothing here for me. I gotta go, I'll fly away to a new space. 'Cause gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make you grow. Can make you grow. Can make you grow.
She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make
don't switch positions and she plays the role. Hit up the salon, she gets the nails and toes. Hair done, neck, wrist, hands froze. She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, do your dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, do your dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, do your dance, make